Hi everyone, Chris here from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today we're talking about the reasons that people fail their theory test. Now, would it shock you to know that in 2015 that over 70% of the theory tests that were taken were failed, and that pass rates are decreasing year by year? Now, this isn't because the questions are getting harder. In fact, the questions are the same as back in 1996. It's just that people are unprepared. Now, first of all, we're going to talk about the top 5 categories that people fail the most questions on. Number 1 is vulnerable road users. This is where we're talking about things like motorbikes or elderly people or anybody like that. The next category is road and traffic signs. So that's anything from your speed limit signs to your warning signs to your give way triangles. The third category that people are failing the most is safety margins. That's things like your stopping distances and your braking distance and your thinking distances. The next is hazard awareness. So are we aware of the things that are happening around us? And the final category is motorway rules. So again, we're talking about anything that happens on the motorway, colours of reflective studs, speed limits when you're towing trailers and things like that. Now, we're going to now talk about the 5 main reasons that people fail their theory test. The first main reason that people fail the theory test is that they don't realise there's 2 parts. They don't realise that there's multiple choice questions and hazard perception clips, and that you must pass both parts to be able to get your theory test certificate. Passing just one means that you fail completely and that you have to do both parts again on your next attempt. The second reason is that people don't realise that there's way over 700 questions in the theory test. Now, you're only going to be asked 50 of those, but you need to be prepared for all of the eventualities. People, when they're buying apps or getting free apps, what they don't realise is that they haven't got all of the sections in them. One thing we guarantee with our course is that you've got the entire question bank to help you practice. The third most reason is that people don't realise that they have to practice the hazard perception. They don't practice it, they think it's going to be easy. They practice the questions and they get on okay with that. And they think, oh, hazard's easy, I just have to click when it happens. But what they don't realise is when to click, how to score in the scoring window. And that is what we can help you with. The fourth reason is that people pass one mock test and then think that they're fully prepared. Now, you may have passed that by luck or by fluke. You really need to be getting 3 consecutive mock test scores, way high scores of 47s, 48s consecutively for 3 mock tests before thinking about booking. The final reason is that people think there's trick questions, and there is no trick questions. It's just sometimes those questions are worded or phrased differently. It's really important that when you take your theory test that you read the questions fully, read all of the answers fully, and then select your answer. There's plenty of time, so don't look for the first answer that you think is correct and then select that answer. Take your time, read every answer, select your answer, and if you're not sure, flag it up for later. If you need help passing your theory test, then you can join our online course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk. Don't risk being in the percentage of people that fail when we can offer you a pass guarantee.